好啦，今日第24條題目，佢就話 concentrated 嘅 hydrochloric acid 同埋 con 嘅 nitric acid 都可以，或者係唔可以 distinguished by 呢個鋅 metal，咁應該係錯嘅，因為咧我哋知道其實鋅咧，如果遇到 con 嘅 nitric acid 咧，咁個重點係個 nitric acid 係會出 NO2 嘅。一隻係 brown 嘅 gas 嚟嘅，所以分得到嘅 HCl 係唔會出 brown gas 嘅，咁所以其實係 can be distinguished 就不是 cannot be distinguished，所以1號係錯嘅，即係第一句咧係錯嘅。好啦，第二句就嗰兩隻 acid 都係 strong acid，咁呢個啱嘅，呢個純粹係佢哋係 strong acid would completely ionize in water，咁一錯。而啱咧，答案就會係 C for cat。